What is up, guys? Welcome to the Bitcoin Daily live stream. I'm tweeting out posting up the link in a couple places, so give me a few moments here. Give me a little bit, guys. All right, I think I posted it everywhere on all my socials. What's going on, guys? What's up, Daryl? How you doing? Clean out this chart a little bit. We've had an overall drawdown of, well, a max drawdown of 40% here. Currently at about 36%, it looks like. Let me get my face cam on. Let me see. Gotta turn on the light here. There we go. What's going on, guys? Who's in here? We got 22 people in here. What's up, Rojas? Money Mills volume is low. ATAC Inc. Let me move the mic a little bit closer to me, maybe. Is this better? Let me know how the volume is on the mic. What's up, Amir? 100% perfect. Yeah, it's because I'm looking also like off to the side since I have a screen over here to my left. So I'm talking like kind of away from the mic. But when I look at the screen right in front of me, then I'm talking into the mic. Yeah, so we had a huge, not a huge, but we had today we've had another downturn in the market, and we're currently threatening to fall below this level right here, as you guys can see right there. We're currently threatening that level. Now that's a very important level that we need to hold there, or we're threatening going down to this level right here and this level right here. So basically that whole zone right there, I'll just kind of might as well just circle that whole area, because that would be the next support area right there. And we'll look at it at why that's a support area. CDN, what's going on, man? The crypto world has been wild as always, man. Nothing changes. Good evening from London. What's going on, man? What is it? Usama? Usama? Am I saying that right? How you doing, man? Jose says, Happy New Year, Jay. Hope everyone gets hella moolah off of crypto this year. I hope so as well, man. So far, not a good start, you know, but maybe it's an opportunity. What the fuck happened? Bro, basically what the reason everything, because it's not just the crypto market, it's the entire market. Even if you go out to, let's look at futures, you can see futures, everything is basically red here. If we switch over to the stock market, basically everything is red here as well. Tesla's down 5%, Apple's down 2.5%. The Qs are down, the SPY is down. There's not too much green. Everything is pretty much down here, as you guys can see. So it's the overall market. The reason why is because of this right here. So the Fed met today. You guys know that the Fed meets, I think it's, I don't know if it's once a week or every couple weeks or every month. Not sure exactly. But whenever they meet, it's on a Wednesday. I think it's weekly, but I might be wrong. Basically, if you look here, they spoke about for a possible rate increase in March. So with a rate increase, you already know that that's bearish for the market overall. Because remember, if they increase the rates, that means that money gets more expensive to borrow. If money is more expensive to borrow, that means that people will be borrowing less and will be spending less at the same time. So that's the main thing here on why the entire market basically got nuked today about an hour or two ago. So if you guys remember last week, they spoke about a faster timetable for raising rates this year. But, you know, they're pretty open with it. They're like, oh, we're not going to force it. You know, we're just going to kind of see what's needed and slowly, you know, reevaluate as we get to the time of raising the rates. Because the whole thing about raising rates is because the inflations were at basically all-time highs at levels, you know, last year that we haven't seen in a very, very long time. So let me see, is this from today? Yeah, so then today, let me see, I'm trying to find, why is this all from like December's meeting? Okay, that's not what I want to see. Currently have 35 people in here. If you guys are in here, say what's up in the chat. Let me know that you're in here. If we hit 100 viewers during this live stream, guys, I'm going to do a $100 giveaway. If you guys don't know, I've been doing $100 giveaways on Twitter. I've been trying to grow the Twitter account since we are still disabled. We are still disabled on Instagram, guys. There goes the upset guy. You can never make anyone. You can never make everyone happy. There's always people upset. You know, they fail at trading and then they get upset at me. Like, bro, I'm not gonna spoon feed you. You gotta make the moves yourself. I can't make them for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that guy in timeout. And I actually have 250,000 followers on Instagram, but my Instagram is disabled, unfortunately, at this moment. What's up, Trendy Drip NFTs? Anna, how you doing? Okay, so it wasn't something new. All right, so let's go over this article. So we'll just go over the article together. I haven't read any of the articles. I just kind of got an idea of why everything was going down, that it had to do with the Fed's meeting. No problem, man. Thank you. What's up, Edgar? Navneet, join Instagram again. I'm still in on Instagram. I just, my main account is disabled, so I'm on my backup accounts. Let me see if I could pull it up here. So my backup account, if you guys don't know, I think it's, I don't even know the exact spelling of it because I like never really use it. So let me just add it on here. So this is my backup account that I'm currently using right now, Bitcoin.updates. I'm using this account and I'm using Bitcoin University. So these are the two different accounts that I'm currently using on Instagram. If you guys are looking to follow me on Instagram, I've been updating on both of these accounts. So you can see here that I've been posting updates and all that. As I continue to try to get back my Instagram account that is currently disabled. So let me see here. I'm going through the comments right now. Anna says, what do you think about Bitcoin up or down? Well, right now we're at basically what I would say an important level. It's kind of a line in the sand type of thing, but not really. We still have support if we go lower. But the thing is, if we lose if we lose the current level that we're at, we are probably going to then visit and we'll be threatening to break the $40,000 to $42,000 levels. Hold on, because my AC just turned on. Alexa, set AC to 80.
The AC is set to 80.
There we go. That'll turn it off. Got my assistant here turning off my AC for me. So yeah, so if we lose this level, we still have the overall trend. Let me go to a different chart here. It's a little bit cleaner. So let's look at this chart here. So you guys can see here, this is the weekly chart. You can see the overall trend is still intact, right? We're still, as long as we don't fall below that, then we're okay. And we currently have confluence here at the levels that we're dropping into right now. So you'll see here, we have some confluence. We have this $40,000 to $42,000 area. That's a major support. You'll notice that, that it's held before here. It's held before here. And anytime we've broken up or below this level, it's been a major move. So this is a very important level. Also, if you pull up the volume shelves here of open interest, you can see basically how important this level is. Right now, we just fell below an important level, which is why I don't like this, because right now there's a gap. Look at this gap right here, guys. This is a big gap. There's not a lot of volume here. So because of that, we could drop all the way down back here where interest picks back up. So that's at the bottom of this, which is also where this ascending support line is. So that's currently what we're watching. With this drop here, we just lost this support, which is not good because we're trading in a range. We've been trading within this range for the last, 5-6 weeks. And now that we lost that, if we don't see a bounce here soon, then we're probably dropping all the way down here, which is that $40,000 to $42,000 area, which is this area that I have marked here. So it is a little bit scary here because we're going to start threatening to fall even lower, fall below that level. And I don't like that because any negative news is going to push us down. If we get pushed back down, then we're going back basically at that point to these levels. We will lose this main support. We're going to lose this other main support that's been holding us this entire bull ride. We've lost the 50-week moving average, which is also bearish. So if we fall below this current area right there, I would say we're probably revisiting these levels down here, which is the levels from May, June, July, right? And that might be a crypto winner. And, there's no way to tell how long or how low we could go at that point. So we definitely need to see some sort of bounce here ASAP because it's not looking good. It is not looking good at all right now. It's just, there's a lot of negativity that's in here right now as far on the charts, that's pushing prices lower. There still are some bullish things to consider. A lot of the on-chain data is still pretty bullish. A lot of the long-term indicators are still pretty bullish. Even some of the patterns that we're seeing are still pretty bullish. Like if you look at this pattern, this is still somewhat a reversal pattern here, and we're retesting that breakout, breakout previous resistance that's now a support. So there's a lot of things going on right now, and of course, with any bad news, all of this goes out the door, goes out the window. When there's bad news, it doesn't matter what the charts say. It doesn't matter what any indicators say. Prices are going to push down. So if fear, uncertainty, and doubt comes into the market, prices get pushed down overall. So that's kind of what we're seeing right now. We're seeing prices get pushed down because of the fear and uncertainty right now in the markets. We just broke down from the range we were trading in. Now we could still close the day if we get a bounce back up and be right back in this range. But as of now, if we end up closing where we are, then we're going to test these lower levels. And hopefully we get a bounce up from these lower levels. As you can see, we've had these bounces before. We had a bounce here. We've had bounces here. We move back over here, and you can see these same levels have played as resistances here. And when we lost it, look how bad of a drop that was, right? So this is a very, very important level that we're going to be testing now, that we need to see a bounce from, because if not, things could get really ugly here. Jose, for Mana Coin, I mean, remember that everything's going to follow Bitcoin. So you have to be careful. If Bitcoin continues down, altcoins are an exaggeration of Bitcoin's movement. So you can see Bitcoin's down about 5%. Altcoins are down, 6%, 7.5%, 7%. So that's the issue with altcoins. You don't really want to be positioned in altcoins when, market's going down. Yeah, Squirrel. If this level here does not hold, we're probably retesting previous lows of May and June. So that would not be pretty, because we are also losing the you can see here, we would also be losing the overall trend here that we've had since October. We'd also be losing the 50-week moving average, which we never lost, or we lost briefly here during that downtrend. We've already lost it here. We lost it last week. If we close again below it this week, it's not good, because if you look back in history to the times that we've lost that level, we lost it during March when the pandemic in 2020, but we got a bounce right back out. The last time we lost it before that was back in 2018 when we went into a bear market. So you can see here during the 2016-17 bull market, we never lost the 50-week moving average. We only lost it when we went into that bear market. So, you know, it's not good. It's not good. It doesn't mean that we're not going to bounce back, but it just means for the moment right now, the way that it's looking, if we end up closing this bearish, it's not going to be a good look for the market, and we might go into an early winter. You know, it's Bitcoin has never in its history has gone into a bearish winter in the way that it's happened this time around. So if it were to happen, it will be the first time in history. But, you know, things could just happen because, you know, we have no control over them. Money mails? No, I have not. I have not looked into that. What's up, Milena? Nice to see you in here. Good time to get into Wonderland. Again, if we continue going down, right, the entire market is gonna go down. Wonderland, you can see currently is sitting around 26.18. It's also had a very ugly pattern here. Currently, it's down. It's gone down as low as 74% from its all-time high. And this has happened in less than a 2-month, well, basically in a 2-month period, right? I would look for a direction change in Wonderland before jumping in if I wasn't already in it. I'm already in it. So at this point, with the rebasing, it'll eventually over the long term, it's going to even out and get me into profit. And I really believe in their team. So that's why I just left my funds in there. But if I wasn't in it right now, I'd probably wait a little bit. I don't want to get into any type of projects with fresh money until there's a change in the market. Right now, market sentiment, everything is going down. So I'm not comfortable putting any new money into the market right now until, you know, we figure out which way we're going, right? I'm not saying that the bull market is over. As long as we hold above these levels, the green area here, as long as we hold above that, we're still in a bull market. If we lose that level, then I would say, yes, we're going into a bear market. And that could still be wrong. We could still bounce right back up, get like one of those V's. But that's the important level. That's the line in the sand for myself. As long as we're above it, I'm still bullish. If we lose this level, I'm flipping over to bearish until something changes. What's going on, Carlos? How you doing? Yo, yo. Yeah, cheat code. That's I said that in the beginning of the stream that that this is not just crypto. This is the overall market that the Fed report has is affecting. It's not just the crypto, guys. If you look at everything else, it's also in the red. Look at the futures market is all red. If you look at the stock market, it's all red. Everything is red. This is not a crypto thing. You have to understand that this is not just a crypto thing. We're not going down because of anything Bitcoin or crypto related. We're going down because of the Fed report that was released today. For those who weren't here when I first started the stream, talking about that they're expecting rate hikes to be sped up, possibly as soon as March. If rate hikes get sped up, and if rates get hiked, that means that money is more expensive. If money is more expensive, that means less people will be borrowing money. If less people are borrowing money, that means less money is being spent into the markets. So there's less profits. You know what I mean? So it's basically a chain reaction on if they raise the rate hikes. The reason they're looking to raise rates is to make the dollar's value go up higher. They want to make the dollar's value more expensive. With the dollar going up, you can see that the dollar is trending up. So if the dollar's trending up, that's not good for markets. With the dollar trending up, that is bad for markets overall, not just Bitcoin, but stock markets as well. Because remember, we're trading against USD. So if USD is going up, then whatever's being paired against USD is usually going down. No problem, Jose. Alex says long or short. I'm neutral right now. If we fall below 42 to 40 range, then I'd be looking for to open up short trades at that point. But for right now, for the moment, I am neutral. I'm not looking to enter any trades right now. Yeah, for sure. Lukester, there's definitely not a lot of new blood and a lot of over leveraged people, over leveraged traders that don't really know what they're doing. And that's been a big issue in the crypto market. If we come over to CoinGlass, you can see that in the last 24 hours, $415 million has been liquidated. You can see here that in the past 24 hours, 119,552 traders were liquidated. In the last 4 hours, you can see the majority of this is in the last 4 hours, 330 million of liquidations in the last 4 hours alone. So yeah, this has a lot to do with why we get such big price drops when things like this happen. Traders are over leveraged. They're not using stop losses, or they're not, they're getting stopped out. They're getting liquidated. It's not pretty. So a lot of people get liquidated. When people get liquidated, they have to sell. When they have to sell, it creates sell pressure, which creates basically like flash crashes and stuff like that in the market. So definitely not good for the market when things like that happens. Is Cardano a buy? I mean, it's up to you, Phrase. If you're bullish on Cardano long term, then it's a good time to be buying. Anytime if you're in it for the long term and you're not expecting to make money right away, then sure, you can invest in these projects because they're at discounts right now, right? From their all-time highs. But you have to keep in mind, it could take 6, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months for it to really take off. So as long as you don't need the money for that amount of time, for at least 6 to 24 months, Sure, you can. I would say dollar cost average your way into any projects that you really believe in. We're at 61 people in the chat right now, guys. Once we get to 100, I will be doing a $100 giveaway. So we got 60 people right now. Let me see. I'm trying to catch up with the chat. Yeah, definitely a lot of traders have been getting knocked out the market, as you guys can as I just showed you guys. What's up, Leo? How you doing? Traders Reality? No, I have not heard of that, Leo. I don't really watch too many analysis. I don't like watching other people that are that do analysis on Bitcoin and stuff like that, because I don't want their bias and their opinions to influence mine. You know what I mean? So I want to make sure that when I'm showing you guys, you know, my thoughts on this, that they're my personal thoughts and opinions based on my perception of what's going on, not based on a lot of noise that's out in the market. So I really don't watch any other YouTubers that do analysis or charts or things like that for that reason. Entry price for Ethereum. If I'm looking at Ethereum, it depends what you're asking. You know, are you asking about entry price for long term, or are you asking about entry price for short term, for a trade, for a scalp? You know, so a lot of things go into it. I would say right now, it's not a good entry for anything. As you can see, this is kind of a downtrend right here. I'd be looking to see what happens here. I'm more sitting back and waiting to see what happens. I like to see Ethereum close above that Fibonacci level, which is currently right around that $3,700 to $3,800 area. If we close the week above that, then it's possibly a good entry here, because that's the bottom of the range. So if that's the bottom of the range, I'm expecting a bounce up here, which is around that 40 where we've hit our all-time highs here. So right now I'm more on the, you know, sit back and wait type of thing before making any moves. I'm not really looking to make any moves right now. You can see now that I fixed the Fibonacci retracement levels that we actually lost this level. So I don't like it, because right now the price could continue to fall down, maybe to like the 3,200 area, which it's been support over here. So for now, I'm just going to watch and see what happens, and reevaluate probably, you know, at the end of the week. For long-term positions, I always say dollar cost average your way in. That's literally the best thing you can do. So that was Dennis's question. MA, I just covered Ethereum, so that covers both of your questions. Syed Mustafa, no, they have not fixed my Instagram yet. I am still waiting on that to be fixed. But if you're looking to follow me on my backup account, you can follow me here, bitcoin.updates. I'm posting updates and different things there, so you guys can follow me there for the time being until I get my account back. And there's no timetable or timeline for when I will get my account back. I've been asking them, and they literally just tell me, you know, you just have to wait. There's no timetable. Like, they tell me they can't tell me a time. So they said that I'm in the queue and that they will get to me when they get to me. That's literally what they said to me. I'm in the queue. They will get to me when they get to me. I even asked them, like, what can I do? Who can I see? What can I pay? How much can I pay? Like, I'll take a flight right now out to California to meet with the team and personally review the account and review the issue with them. I'll pay for those flights out of my pocket to get this resolved ASAP. And like, I can't get no answers from them. Like there's nothing that they're giving me nothing. So they said that there's nothing I can do. I just have to wait. So it sucks, man. It really does suck. I told them I bet if the App Store disabled Instagram from the App Store and told you guys, oh, you're in the queue, we'll get to you when we get to you. I bet they would not just sit there and wait for Apple to get back to them, right? But do I really want to start spending money to start to send them lawsuits? I don't want to spend money on hiring lawyers to start suing them to maybe get a reaction from them. I'm sure they have hundreds, if not thousands, of lawsuits already. So, yeah. Phrase, I do like Phantom. I am a fan of Phantom. I am a fan of any smart contract project. So I'm very big. I think my biggest investments are in, other than Bitcoin, my biggest investments are in smart contracts. So anything that's a smart contract, I'm investing in. I love it. I'm invested in Ethereum. I'm invested in Avalanche. I'm invested in Phantom. I'm investing in Polygon. What else? BNB, Binance, Polkadot, Solana. Anything that's a smart contract project, I am invested in, and I think you guys should, also do the same for the long term. So it's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's a good and sound investment, I believe, because that's the way that the whole industry is heading. Not financial advice, though. I don't know what NFT Worlds is, Wisdom. I'm not really big into NFTs. Yeah, Phantom is up a lot, but like I said, that's why I said, if you're in it for the long term, then it's a good buy. If not, then no, because right now it's been on a roll. It's been on a tear. So it hit an all-time high of $3.50, almost 48 cents. And currently, right now, from when it started its run back in July of last year, it's up 1,700%. So it's up a lot, right? And if you just put it from where we started this new run here, it's up 141% in less than 3 weeks. So yeah, you have to be careful buying into it now. If you want to dollar cost average your way in, that's fine. Don't do a big amount, like just into it. Definitely, I would say dollar cost average. I believe in this project long term. I think they're doing a lot of really cool stuff. And I think this project long term is definitely going to take off and continue up. Wisdom, that's awesome, man. You got in for 6.9 Ethereum. Now the floor is around 4.5 Ethereum. Nice, man. I honestly can't tell you anything what I would do, because I don't do a lot of investing in NFTs. I don't really follow it too much. I'm more of a trader than a NFT collector or investor. So the only NFT project I'm currently investing in is a project that has passive income. It's the Ice NFT, the Ice Poker, the Central Games Poker. So I'm invested in that because it had to do with poker, and it's a play to earn game and NFT where you can make money passively, that's why I invested in it. Other than that, to me, NFTs are not predictable enough to invest in. But it seems like any NFT you invest in the last few months, it goes up, right? So, you know, I have no idea, man. I have no idea when it comes to the NFT world. Yeah, for sure, Jeff. Like I said, if you plan for the long term, just dollar cost average your way into Phantom. Thank you, Syed. If you guys have any connections to anyone in Meta, I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to get in contact with someone to at least move me to the top of the queue, right? I asked them how many people are in front of me in the queue, and they said that they don't know. Like, how do you not know how many people are in front of me? It's ridiculous. Thoughts on XRP? Same thoughts as for the last year. Until they get out of their lawsuit, prices are not going to move too much. You can expect XRP to just be stuck in the same range it's been in. And you can see a pretty clear range here that it's been just kind of stuck in. And of course, it follows the overall market. So if the market goes down, I expect prices to come back down around the 60 cent area. If prices go up, the top of this range looks like it's around $1.30. So until they get out of that lawsuit, or until there's like really bullish news about that, I'm not expecting anything too crazy in XRP right now. So long term, if they win the case, which I imagine they will, I think it'll rock it up. It'll take off, maybe hit $2-3. Dennis, I just answered that one. The only NFT project that I'm currently in is the Decentral Games Ice Poker project. That is the only one I'm invested in at time, and it's because of you can make it's a play to earn game. You can make money literally playing poker for free, right? So it's this right here, the Central Games Ice Poker. You can see floor prices around 1.15 Ethereum. I minted mine. I minted two of them, and I bought one for 0.65. I minted two of them for 0.25. So the mints have basically tripled. The one I bought is basically doubled if I were to sell them at this point. But they're making me passive income. So there's my account, and in the last month, it's made me around $1,500. Literally just delegating them out. I basically lend them out to people to play poker with, and I get 30% of whatever they earn without having to do anything. So it's a pretty cool project. In what? What's happening in Almaty? I'm not even sure what that is, man. I haven't heard of it. Yeah, so phrase what Jeff just said. You buy. Let's say you have $1,000. Instead of putting in your entire $1,000 at the current price, you put in, like, let's say 25% of that, right? So you put in $250, and if it goes lower, you put in 250. If it goes lower, you put in 250, and if it goes higher, you do the same thing. You put in 250. So at the end of the day, and you do it over a period of time. So it could be over a week, over a few weeks, over a month, over a few months. The idea is to get the best possible average entry, because in reality, we have no idea if this is the bottom of if this is going to be the best price we could get into, or if we're going to have an opportunity to get into the project at a better price. So the way to hedge your bet is to just slowly get into it, and then once a week, once a month, depending on what time frame you're trying to invest in for, is how I would say it, break it down for you. You just average it down. Scott, what's going on, man? Jose from France. What's up? How you doing? Jury says, how low do I think the BTC bottom will be in the bear market? So it should be higher than the previous high. It's usually how it's worked in the past. Let me switch to a different chart here. So if, let me see. So for example, in 2017, we went up, we set an all-time high, and we went into a bear market. The low in the bear market was higher than the previous bull market's all-time high, right? So because of that, if it follows the same, if it follows history, then I don't expect Bitcoin's price to even get to 20,000. I would expect the low in a bear market to be around maybe back at these same lows, right? Maybe it'll drop back down to around the $25,000 area before heading up higher. So that's what I would expect. But like we're seeing right now, things could change. Just because it's been different historically doesn't mean that that it can't be different this time. You know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. Can I look at Mana? Yeah, I'll take a look at Mana. If we go over here to Mana, you'll see it's basically, it had this huge pump. Let me pull up. It had this huge pump over a 4-week period, over a month basically, right? In October. Let me see. It started in October through November of 750%. So that was an insane rally up. And then you can see here, it was way overbought at that point, and it's been ever since. It's been in a correction period. So so even if Bitcoin was going up, this would probably still be correcting. If Bitcoin goes down lower, I expect this to also go down lower. So it's all going to depend on what happens with Bitcoin. We can see it. You can see the bottom of this range is right around here, which is like that 280, 270, 280 area. If we break below that, we can expect it to fall maybe down to this area right here. That's going to be around that $1.90 range. And below that is back to where it started, basically around that 70 cents area. So it depends on Bitcoin. Things for the most part are going to follow Bitcoin. So that's why we focus mainly on Bitcoin, because the entire market overall will end up following Bitcoin. Yeah, guys, we're so close to 100 viewers. If we get to 100 viewers, we will do a $100 giveaway. In order to be able to have a chance at winning the giveaway, you must be subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed, you cannot win the giveaway. You will not get $100 if you're not subscribed to the channel. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you like this video, and that's when I will do. And once we get 100 viewers, I will do a giveaway. Let me see, how long have we been streaming for now? For 50 minutes. So I'm gonna stream for a little bit longer, maybe for another 15 to 20 minutes to see if we can hit the 100. And if you guys don't know, on Twitter, I am doing a giveaway for those of you that might not be following me. If you go, let me pull it up right now. If you go to my Twitter is Bitcoin, the letter X daily. They stole my name, Bitcoin Daily, so I had to put an X in there. But if you go to my Twitter, I have it pinned as my tweet here, and you can see this tweet right here. Let's continue the 1K Bitcoin giveaway. So I'm giving away $1,000 in total in Bitcoin. So I'm doing it. I'm breaking it down into 10 different people. The way to enter is follow me on Twitter, like and retweet it, right? And comment your Bitcoin address with the hashtag FreeBitcoinDaily, because we have been arrested on Instagram, right? So every 100 likes triggers one winner up to the $1,000. So far, we've done one already. And as you guys can see, we have 77 likes and 68 retweets. So once this gets to 100, we're going to do another giveaway. Also, if we hit 100 viewers during the stream in the next 20 minutes or so, we're also going to do a giveaway. So those are that's how we're doing the giveaways right now. So we're currently 30 people away from doing a giveaway while live on stream. And we're about 30 retweets and likes away from doing another $100 giveaway on Twitter. So make sure to follow us on there as well. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like here. If we get 30 more people live on here in the next 20 minutes, we'll give away another $100. So let's see. Yeah, man, you should try to mint it. If you mint an ICE NFT, it's 0.25 to mint, and you could literally, as soon as you mint it, sell it for 3 times the value. So it's an easy investment. Samarth, should I be long in ETH? Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting on my hands and being patient at this moment in time. You don't want to be in the business of trying to catch falling knives. It's not fun. Blocktopia or Meta Hero? No, I like I said, I'm thinking those are NFTs. I'm not big on NFTs, so I can't even tell you, Dennis. I'm sorry. Leo, trading in a bear market, you're looking for short entries. So you're not looking for long entries, you're looking for shorts. So it's a little bit different, but you can still definitely make money when there's a direction. The thing is, there needs to be a direction in the market in order to be able to take the trades. So right now, we've had the last few weeks, you can see we've just been trading in a range. There's been no real direction. So it's hard. You're basically taking 50-50 shots if you're entering trades in these levels. Crypto cars? I don't know what crypto cars is. Can you elaborate on what it is? No problem, Jeff. Joshua, stoked for the giveaway. Come on, guys. I'm trying to add some people. We're 30 people away from the giveaway. I'll be on for about 15 more minutes to see if we can hit the 100 mark. If we hit the 100 mark, I will do a $100 giveaway live on stream. In order to qualify for the giveaway, you must be subscribed to the channel. You must like the video. So we're 30 people away. Also, of course, you can enter the Twitter giveaway. So make sure to be checking that out as well and following us on there. It's currently at 78 likes and 71 retweets. So we're almost there. Let me see. James, that is a tough one. I know what it's like. Like, it sucks. The first time I bought Bitcoin, it was a lot lower than now, but the price did drop on me when I bought it. And then I just kind of forgot about it. And when I checked back, I had like 5x'd my money, right? So it was crazy. I would say, man, if you don't mind, if you don't need that money right now, you could hold off. If you see a break, if you see the price break this $40,000 level, that's when you might consider selling at that point, because we have a lot of support at that level, right? 40 to 42,000. There's a lot of support. If we are to break below this, then we could see a drop off kind of like this, not this low, but we could see probably a drop off like maybe here to these levels right here. So that would shave another 10,000 off what you're holding, which would suck. So maybe if it breaks below 40, you'll want to sell and wait to see what happens. If it drops down to this level right here, then maybe you want to buy back in, and you'll actually get a little bit more than a Bitcoin. If you sell at 40, you buy back in at 30, you'll have like 1 point something Bitcoin. And by the time it goes back up to 65, you'll actually be in profit, I believe, at that point. So if you bought at 65, sold at 40, you'll be in profit by then. So that might be something you can look to do. But right now, I wouldn't sell right now at this moment. Yeah, get your friends in the stream for the giveaway. They're metaverse projects. Okay, cool. Nah, I haven't looked into them. I'm gonna have to take a look at crypto cars and crypto planes. You're the second person to mention crypto cars. I'd have to take a look. The only metaverse NFT play to earn game I'm currently involved in is the poker one, Ice Poker. I haven't looked at crypto cars or crypto planes or anything like that yet. Louis San, what's going on, man? Good to see you in here. Long or short, neutral right now. There's nothing to do here. You don't want to be longing because you don't want to try to catch a falling knife, and you don't want to be shorting because there's a lot of support where we're currently falling into. So right now, there's nothing to do. What's up, Mindset Trader? I've been doing TA for probably, we're in 2022 now. I have to think like I have to like keep reminding myself that we're in 2022. So probably since 2015, 16 is when I first really started looking at it. And 2017 is when I really, really got like obsessed with it. And yeah, I've been just doing it ever since, basically every day. I've never looked back, right? And when I first started, I started with a ton of indicators, just like everyone else, right? Then I realized that most indicators are not good. Like, the most important thing to look at is price action. So most of my charts look pretty clean and very, very simple. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Get your brothers and sisters in the stream. So CryptoCar is the first Web3 based NFT play to earn card game. Use your NFT card in the game to play and earn tokens. The token is called card, can be converted to cash. Daily $80. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to look into it. It's called Crypto Car. Crypto Cars. Have you guys seen Police and Thief, I think it's called? It's like another similar NFT game. Police and Thieves, or Thieves and Police. I don't know. I almost bought into it, but the price went up like 400% when I was looking to buy in. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just wait and see if price goes down. But then the price crashed like 80%. So I'm like, okay, now I don't want to buy it because it's just so it's so crazy, right? It was gonna cost me, I think, like five. I needed 5 AVAX coins, so about $500 to mint Police and Thieves and NFT. But basically, the thieves, they do heist and they earn you 10,000 loot per day, and it costs, I think, to buy the NFT, it costs 40,000 loot. So when you have one, they earn you 10,000 loot per day. So it's a really crazy and cool concept. They have a doxed team. It looked really cool and interesting, but the price action was just insane. Let me see if I could pull it up. Police and Thief game. So it's this right here. So it's this right here. You can see that you can still mint them. So I wish I would have got in here where it only costs 10,000 to mint. Then I tried at 20,000, but this at 20,000 is when the price skyrocketed. Thank God I didn't buy because the price crashed. So if you go to buy loot, you can see that the price, look at the price where it's at. So if I wanted to buy right now, I could get almost 200,000 loot. Let's zoom out. Look at this. It's basically at the floor. So I mean, it might not be a bad idea to at least get some. I could get one NFT right now if with 2 AVAX, which is actually not bad. Just to try it out, right? What do you think, guys? Should I do it or not? I'll have a vote in the chat. If you guys think I should do it, let me know. If not, then I won't do it. Let me know what you guys think. Police and Thief game. Levente. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. I'll do a little research on it. Like to see BTC go to mid 30. If we fall below 40K, I'm telling you right now, we will be at a free fall, and we could drop back down to May levels at that point, because there's not much holding us below 40, and we'll probably be stuck below there for about 2 to 3 months minimum. So I would not like to see Bitcoin go to 30K because it's going to be stuck there for a while. I don't mind it going to 42, maybe even 40. But if we lose 42 and 40K, if we lose 42, I'm already very worried. If we lose 40, we're probably dropping down, retesting 30, bottom 30s, possibly even 28, 25 again. So I do not want to see it lose 40 or even 42. But, you know, we just got to wait and see what happens. Thoughts on Casta? So I think, let me see if I can pull up the chart for Casta. So Casta was launched today. It's currently, so at the launch, it was insane, right? It launched at 4 cents. And it sucks because I had the opportunity to buy it at 4 cents. I did not. And it went up as high as $2. Then it's dropped and it's just kind of been sitting around $1. The thing with new projects, you never really know what the worth of a new project is, and you don't know if it's gonna survive, right? So there's already a lot of issues that I've seen on Twitter. So I'm not personally buying at current levels. It's currently in what you call price discovery. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and see what happens. I don't know if I will buy, but I did have the opportunity. And I would have made a lot of money, but I didn't do it. Let's see. We're currently at 71 viewers. I guess we have in the stream, we have a resistance at 70. We have a resistance at 70 viewers, guys. We need to break this resistance to hit 100. Arturo said just do $75. What's Philip? What do you mean? I don't understand your question. Philip said, man, what's the best position to long in BTC? I don't understand your question. What do you mean? Like, what's the best position to long? Depends how many cars and planes you have, okay? Okay, I'll look at NFT World. Is there a way to make like passive income or anything like that? Do you make daily income? Because I'm really only interested in things if they make me, you know, like that daily passive income type of thing. Those are the ones that I'm really looking into. Things with you know, kind of cool little things like that. I am one of those 70. You're one of the 70 people inspire me to hodl. I mean, I don't really need to do anything to inspire you to hodl. All I have to do is show you the chart. And then you decide for yourself if you should hodl. You know, because even if you bought up here at the mega top, if you were to buy there, let's say you bought up there and you held, that's a 250% return. Even though it is you know, 2-year period, 3-year period, what is it? 4-year period? Even though it's been a 4-year period, where else are you going to get that type of return? And what market? Right? So, I mean, that's up to you, man. I can't tell you what to do. I can only tell you what I'm doing. And as long as we're above $42,000 to $40,000, I'm holding, because you can see that the overall trend is still intact, even with this drop. And down here, we have a lot of confluence with different supports. So we got to see what happens. I don't want to see us lose 42 though. I'm not going to lie. If we lose 42, I'm going to be nervous at that point. If we lose 40, then and if we close below 40, then I am expecting us to see lower levels. You know, if I pull this up here, if we lose 40, we could see, you know, around 38 to 36,000, maybe even 35. And if we are to lose that level, then we're looking at these levels over here, which is the bottom of that level is around $28,000. So I'm still not bearish, but if we lose 42, I'm nervous. If we lose 40, I have to, I'm probably selling at least some of my stuff until the trend reverses and until there's signs of strength again. Jason, this pullback, this crash right now is due to the Fed meeting, and it's not just the crypto market. And there we go. We're at 42, guys. This is the moment in time where we need to hold here. It's just the overall crypto market. I mean, I'm sorry, not the crypto market, but it's the overall market where the Fed is saying that they're going to hike the interest rates. So, and it's coming faster than what they first thought. So because of that, it's bearish for all markets, not just crypto. So if we flip over to the futures market, you can see the futures market is very red. ES1 is S&P, things like that. Everything is red there. If we look at the stock market, you can see the SPY, the Qs, all of tech, you know, Tesla, Apple, Netflix, everything is red. It's not just crypto. Crypto just happens to already be in this downward trend since November. And it's been trying to push back up. There's even been many signals on both on-chain data and analytics. There's been reversal patterns. Everything that's needed for us to get a reversal has appeared. But we can't do anything about news. When there's news that causes what's called FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, it's going to push the market down. So you can see that 42,000 is being defended so far. So that's a good thing. What I would like to see for the rest of this week is us close above this level. So this level is right about $44,000 to $45,000. I would like to see us close above that. If we close the week above that, I think we're still good. As long as we close above 42, we're good. But I like it to push back up. I don't want it to close down here. So I want to see some strength back up to the upside. So let's see what happens here. We're currently at 79 people, guys. If we get 20 more people, I will do a $100 giveaway. 16 more people to go. We're at 84. In order to qualify for the $100 giveaway, you must be subscribed to the channel and you must like this video. All right, subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you're not subscribed, you cannot get the giveaway because you're not supporting me. Why am I going to give you $100? We're 24 people away, guys. I was about to get off, but because we're so close, I will extend the live stream to see if we can hit it. I've been streaming now for over an hour. I usually like to make these just an hour long. We're in for an hour and 15 minutes right now. I'm gonna stay on especially since the market is about to test this 42 level, which I don't like. I don't want to see that. So let's see what happens here. Holding to 100K, it will recover. Yeah, it always recovers. That's definitely not a question at all. There's not one part in me that's questioning whether or not this will recover. So this for the sell-off right now is the Fed meeting. And guys, we're getting close to breaking 42. I don't like that. The sell-off right now is due to the Fed. They said that they're going to speed up the process of tapering and raising interest rates. So not good. The reason why is because that makes money more expensive. If money is more expensive to borrow, then hold on. If money is more expensive to borrow, then people are borrowing less. People will have less funds to invest and to spend and to do other things, right? Hold on, guys. I'm trying to see where is this? Okay. Where we're at right now, we're at 83 people still. So we're still stuck. We're still holding above 42,000. Mon W, yeah. For Polygon, like I said it earlier, I'm a big fan of all smart contract projects. So my biggest investment is Bitcoin and smart contracts. Okay, so smart contracts mean Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, BNB, Matic, what else? Phantom. What else is there? Avalanche. There's a lot of them. So those are my biggest investments after Bitcoin. Guys, we're at 94 people. If we get to 100 viewers, we will do a $100 giveaway. All right. In order to qualify for the giveaway, you must be subscribed to the channel and you must like the video. 2 people away. Let's see. And we're getting a bounce at 42,000, which is also good. Buyers are coming in and protecting the $42,000 zone. If we switch back over to this chart over here, you can see here that we're in the big support area. So this is a big support area I've been talking about. Guys, we were so close. We made it to 98 people. We're so close. So close. Oh, 95. Here we go. 95 people. Guys, do not leave. We're so close to the giveaway. 97. Come on, we're almost there. We got that resistance at 100 viewers. That 99. We're at 99. Oh, we fell back down to 95, guys. We fell down to 95. Guys, for those of you that just tuned in, we're doing a giveaway at 100 viewers of $100 in Bitcoin. We're also at the same time watching the chart. Oh, we hit 100. Congrats, guys. We did 100. You guys have triggered the giveaway. All right, so these are the rules, guys. If you want the giveaway, if you guys wish to enter the giveaway, number 1, you must be subscribed. right? Hold on, let me see. How do I edit this so that only subscribers can chat? So number two, you must be subscribed to the channel, right? So I'm setting it up so only subscribers can chat. All right, so right now only subscribers can participate, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to figure out the best way to do the giveaway, because it has to be you have to be subscribed and you have to like the video. So let me see, YouTube giveaway for subscribers. I'm trying to see what's the best way here. I think we're gonna have to do where I'm gonna do live YouTube giveaways. Let me see if there's any way to do a one live. It looks like the best way. All right, this is what we're gonna do, because the only way to do it is through a comment picker, right? So the only way to do the giveaway is through a comment picker. So that would mean that you guys have to leave a comment on the video, and then I would do it. But then I wouldn't know. I wouldn't be able to see, you know, if you're subscribed or not, and if you're here. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm going to take a screenshot of the chat, right? This is what's gonna happen. I just came up with this. We'll see if it works or not. I'm gonna use this. You guys see this right here? This is to take screenshots, right? This is a sample one for you guys, just so that you guys can see. Whoops. You see how the last person here, that's gonna be the winner. When I do the screenshot, whoever the last person to comment is on the screenshot is the winner for the $100 giveaway. That's gonna make it as random as possible. So basically what you have to do is just comment. Let's see, let me think of what you say. No, chill. Hold on. Wait, not yet, guys, not yet, when I tell you. So to win, what you have to comment, what you have to write in the chat is hashtag free Bitcoin daily. Then I'm going to take a screenshot, and whoever gets this, and whoever's the last person there when I do the screenshot wins. So it's gonna be crazy, and you're gonna have to spam, but I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time. So I know this is delayed a little bit. So the last person to put hashtag free Bitcoin daily is the winner. And I will do it. I will start typing now, and I will do it in about, I think it takes about 25. Well, you guys are already doing it, so I'm gonna count down from 10. So it's gonna be fair. All right, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and screenshot. All right, guys. Of course. Guys, this is the results. I don't know if this is fair that a mod won. Is it fair that a mod won? All right, guys, that's it. That's it. This is the result, guys. This is the result. This is the result of the screenshot. All right, because of mod one, I'm gonna hook CDN. I'm gonna hook you up with some Bitcoin, but I'm gonna do it one more time. No moderators allowed to win. All right, so I'm gonna do it one more time. No moderators allowed to win this on this round. All right, so for those of you that are just tuning in, I'm doing a $100 giveaway in Bitcoin. In order to enter, you have to be subscribed to the channel and you have to like the video, right? You have to type in hashtag free Bitcoin daily. Okay, so I'm gonna save this one and I'm doing another one. All right, so here we go. Hashtag free Bitcoin daily. You must be subscribed to the channel and you must like the video. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Screenshot. All right, here we go. Doing the screenshot. And we have the winner, Christian Alberto Diaz Chinchillas. Congrats. Message me on Twitter. Christian, message me on Twitter for the giveaway. I need your Bitcoin address. Milena, you were so close. You're so close. You're so close. So CDN Crypto and Christian, both of you guys message me on Twitter with your wallet address, and I'm gonna send you guys over some crypto, some Bitcoin. Also, remember, guys, if you guys did not win, don't be discouraged. If you did not win, you have another chance to win right now. If we get enough people. If you did not win, go right now to my Twitter. My Twitter is BitcoinXDaily. That's my Twitter, guys. Go right now to my Twitter. Follow me. Go to the pinned tweet. And I'm doing a giveaway. We're currently at 78 likes and 71 retweets. When this reaches 100, I'm doing another giveaway. So if you did not win, right now, go to Twitter and like this post, retweet it, and just follow this. How to enter, all you have to do is follow me, like and retweet, and comment your Bitcoin address with the hashtag free Bitcoin daily. We're trying to get me free, guys. We're trying to get me free. So we've completed Fayez. The giveaway's over. Guys, the giveaway's over. You don't have to hashtag anymore. All right. Let me put it back to anyone and slow mode. I'm gonna do to 15 seconds. All right, so the winners of the giveaway, make sure to send me a message on Twitter. If you did not win the giveaway, do not worry. You have another shot at winning here. We've done 3. You can see that we've done 1 out of 10, and we just did 2 live on stream. So now we're at 3 out of 10. Once we get 100 likes and 100 retweets, we're going to do another giveaway here. That'll be the 4th out of 10. So we're giving out a total of $1,000. So make sure that you guys go over here on Twitter and just enter there. Alrighty, guys. This has been a crazy hour, but it's been successful, right? We did a giveaway. Give away $200. We said 100. We ended up doing 2 giveaways. And guess what? The price bounced at 42,000, just like we spoke about. So we got the bounce at 42. And now we're just gonna sit back and wait. Let's see if we can get a bounce back up here. RW. Sorry, man. Christian, send me a DM if you can. Bitcoin X Daily on Twitter. Send me a send me a thing. Send me a DM with your Bitcoin address. Let me know it's you. And CDN, you could also message me. So guys, good news. We got a bounce so far. So we're protecting that $42,000 area. Very, very important, guys. Yeah, guys, make sure. Look, this is my Twitter. That is the Twitter. So you can message me on there. You guys could also enter the contest on there, where it's currently at 84 likes, 77 retweets. So just make sure to hit us up on that. And that's when we're doing the next giveaway. We'll see if we do a giveaway next week as well. We'll do a live stream next week, maybe do another giveaway. Mafia Gaming, it is a possibility, but for right now, we have to wait. We gotta see and wait to see if we get a bounce back up. So we have a lot of work to do here as far as the price going back up. Yeah, you're late, Cassandra. Too late. The giveaway is done, guys. We just gave away we did 2 giveaways. Gave away $200. And now we're doing another giveaway on Twitter. So make sure to follow that one. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We've been live for an hour and a half. My throat is already giving out. Make sure to tune in tomorrow. We'll be dropping a new video tomorrow on Time Wonderland. Hopefully we get to do that one. If not, we'll be live with you guys on Friday. Not live, but we'll do a market analysis. We'll see where we are by then. So thank you guys for tuning in. Christian, if it doesn't allow you to send a DM, then send me a tweet. Send me a tweet saying that it's you. Send me a picture of your YouTube name, so that you know I can verify it's you. And also tell me here tell me in the chat what your Twitter is so that I can look for it. I'm gonna wait for you to write your Twitter. All right, so we're holding up here at 43,000, guys, which is good. We need to hold above 42. That's the main level. He said, "I'm Christian. Give me the $100." Chris, okay, I'm gonna write it down. Let me look through my Twitter. Okay, I see CDN. I see CDN. I haven't seen you. Yeah, so just send me a tweet there. You just sent it. Yeah, I see yours, CDN. No problem, Patrick. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. All right, I'll be waiting for your tweet. Yeah, it's. I wanted to give you guys some inspiration, and I just hit my foot on the desk. I wanted to. I know it's always scary when prices are going down, so I wanted to lift everyone's spirits. Hopefully, I accomplished that feat. Um, I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. I'm gonna sign off. My voice is shot, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to DM me. I got CDN already. I haven't seen Christians. Oh, I think I broke my ankle when I hit my foot against the desk. Jeez. My ankle's broken, guys. Yeah, Christian, I haven't seen I'm gonna write down your name because I don't see it. Let's see, Chris YGY. Okay, I see you here. All right, I just tweeted you because I don't see okay, here, I got you now. I got you. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. I'm out of here. I'm the only YouTuber live while the market's crashing, doing giveaways. Alrighty, guys. As always, guys, peace and love. Peace and love.